Hi, it's Jeff from Fox Coaching. So let me ask you something. How do you relate to time? Many, if not most, business owners that I speak to feel like they're constantly catching up, racing the clock. There's never enough time. Every day feels like a game of catch up. But here's the truth, it's not really about the time that you have, it's about how you think about time, what that says about you, and about how you lead. Some people see time as the enemy, it's always running out, it's a scarcity thing, whereas others treat it like a tool, something they can shape or manage and protect. And that mindset, well, it changes everything. This week, we've created a really simple but powerful questionnaire to help you explore your own relationship with time. It'll show you where you're being intentional and where your old habits or your stories might, in fact, be holding you back. So, when you understand how you show up to time, you can start making better decisions with the time that you have. Typically, you don't need more hours in the day, you need a better relationship with the hours that you have. So, download the questionnaire. It takes about 10 minutes to fill it out. Let me know what stands out for you. You're not out of time, you're just ready for a new approach. See you next week.